Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing peanut butter and oat cookies, and simple recipe, very simple. What you want to do is preheat your oven 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, I think. That's what I used on mine. And what you're going to do is you're going to cream peanut butter, and both sugars. So we're using brown sugar and regular sugar. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to use 6 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 cups of creamy peanut butter, half a cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of regular sugar. And so we're just going to pop it all in the one mixing bowl, and then I'm going to take it over to whisk it using an electric whisk to make it all creamy and smooth. Once you do that, you are then going to use an egg, crack an egg open, and then take it back to be whisked, to whisk that into the mixture. And now we're going to add everything else, which is a half a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 cups of oats. And then we're going to go and put that under the whisk as well. So here's half a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 cups of oats. Now this is how it looks when it's whisked or mixed, electric. Then greaseproof paper on a baking tray, and now I'm just using the teaspoon that I used for the baking soda, and I'm just scooping it out and making some cookies out of the mixture. Then you're going to put it in the preheated oven for 15 minutes until it's like golden brown. Again, 375 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, 15 minutes. And then you'll have some lovely cookies. This is me trying it out. At first, I wasn't sure about it, but it got better as I continued to taste it, and I gave it an 8 out of 10. If you make your version, let me know down below how many points you give it. Until next time, see you guys.